Are you ready to turn your investments into a thrilling adventure? In this video, we'll reveal captivating strategies to double your money and have a blast doing it. We'll cover low-risk options, moderate-risk ventures, and high-risk gambles that can skyrocket your wealth. So, buckle up and let's get started. And if you enjoy this content, be sure to like and subscribe for more exciting financial tips. First up, we have the low-risk strategies. These are the safest ways to double your money, but don't worry, they're still thrilling. 401k match. Free money, anyone? Imagine doubling your money with an employer-matched 401k plan. You'll get free money, tax benefits, and long-term retirement savings. Talk about a roller coaster that only goes up. Remember, though, that some companies require a vesting period before you can claim the full match. Keep that in mind and stay committed to your employer to reap the rewards. Investing in an S&P 500 index fund, the magnificent financial buffet. Dive into the world of S&P 500 index funds and enjoy the profits of 500 of America's biggest companies. With a historical average of 10% annual return, you'll double your money in just over 7 years. Hold tight and watch your wealth grow. Keep in mind that past performance is not indicative of future results, so make sure to stay updated on market trends. If you're finding this information valuable, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more insights. Now, let's explore moderate risk strategies that'll have you stepping into the excitement zone. Buying a home, the great real estate adventure. Venture into the world of real estate and unlock the secrets of appreciation. With a mortgage and a keen eye for hidden gems, you can double your investment and create a space for growth and memories. Remember to account for maintenance costs, property taxes, and mortgage payments. But don't forget that you'd be paying rent if you weren't a homeowner. Cryptocurrency trading, the wild west of finance. Saddle up for a thrilling ride through the unpredictable landscape of cryptocurrency trading. Navigate the volatile world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies in pursuit of high returns. But remember, this adventure isn't for the faint of heart. Make sure to research and understand each cryptocurrency before investing, and only put in what you're willing to lose. Finally, we've reached the high-risk strategies, the adrenaline-pumping action you've been waiting for. Trading options. Brace yourself for the exhilarating world of options trading. Feel the thrill of victory as call and put options potentially multiply your investment, but beware of the risk of losing it all. Remember to educate yourself on the mechanics of options trading, like technical and fundamental analysis. Be sure to start with a demo account so that you're not risking real money. Then, once you've proven a profitable strategy, start a small portion of your portfolio to limit your exposure. Curious about when you'll finally double your money? Unveil the mystery with the magical rule of 72. This enchanting formula estimates the number of years it'll take to reach your goal, helping you set realistic expectations for your financial journey. Keep in mind that the rule of 72 is just an estimate, and the actual time to double your money may vary due to changing market conditions. There you have it, a thrilling guide to doubling your money through captivating investment strategies. Remember, with great risks come great rewards, but also the potential for loss. So, find the perfect balance between adventure and caution to unlock your financial potential. Thanks for joining us on this exhilarating ride, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It truly helps us grow and bring you more exciting content. Check out our other videos for more tips.